This house is de-wired. A bunch of cables going from garage door. Sensors are supposed to be to the place sits. And this particular house has one wire going and actually being connected to the garage, and the other one is not connected. It's just hanging here. On the other garage door, a cable hanging like this in the shape of the loop, and we don't know where the other end is. So my theory is that loose end that's what it is. You just cut it in half and see what breaks first. There's one more here. So we need to find out which cable goes where, and hopefully we will find one that goes from here to there or to there. That's the job. Brown and white brown coming together here. Continuity. Nice video. We'll have nice video. Two wires. We have continuity going. Oh. Alright, we don't need that one, we need this one.